Who has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of India? N.V. Ramana. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Election Commissioner of India? Sushil Chandra. Who is to be honored with the 51st Dadasaheb Phalke Award? Rajinikanth. Who has become the first Indian American to be the Associate Attorney General of the United States? Bonita Gupta. Who has been appointed as the first woman chairperson of NESCOM? Rekha Menon. Who has become the first Indian woman to scale Mount Annapurna? Priyanka Mohit. Name the former RBI governor, often referred to as father of banking reforms, who has passed away recently. M. Narasimham. Who is the new CEO of UIDAI? Saurabh Garg. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador for Punjab's COVID vaccination drive? Sonu Sood. What was the theme of Leaders Summit on Climate 2021? Our collective sprint to 2030. Who has invited PM Narendra Modi to Leaders Summit on Climate 2021? Joe Biden. What was the theme of World Health Day 2021? Building a fairer, healthier world. Which state has won the E-Panchayat Award 2021? Uttar Pradesh. Which state started No Mask No Movement campaign in the state? Rajasthan. Which is India's first state to have two green energy towns? Bihar. Which bank has launched the Immune India Deposit Scheme to boost COVID-19 vaccination drive? Central Bank of India. What is the rank of India in the Global Energy Transition Index 2021? 87th. What is the rank of India in the World Press Freedom Index 2021? 142nd. What is the rank of India in the Henley Passport Index 2021? 84th. What is the rank of India in the Inclusive Internet Index 2021? 49th. What is the rank of India in the World Economic Forum's Gender Gap Index 2021? 140th. When is Earth Day observed? On 22nd April. On which date World Book and Copyright Day is observed every year? On 23rd April. When is National Panchayati Raj Day observed? On 24th April. When was World Veterinary Day 2021 observed? 24th April of 2021. What is the full form of BVPAT? Voter Verified Paper Audit Trail. The chemical used in indelible ink or election ink is silver nitrate. What was the theme of World Water Day observed on 22nd March 2021? Valuing water. What was the theme of International Women's Day observed on 8th March 2021? Choose to challenge. Who has been appointed as the chairman of Assam Public Service Commission? Rajiv Kumar Bora. Recently, Narendra Modi launched Assam Mala, a program for state highways and major district roads at where in Assam? At Dekiajuli. Sarbananda Sonowal inaugurates Assam's first heliport at which district? At Majuli district. Who has received Padma Bhushan Award posthumously from Assam on January 26, 2021? Tarun Gogoi. Who has received the Republic Day Journalism Award 2021? Atin Das. Who has received the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2021 under the Art and Culture category from Assam? Tanuj Samadar. India's first Labour Movement Museum is to be launched in which state? In Kerala. Whose birthday is to be celebrated as Parakram Divas every year? Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's birthday. Central government has signed a loan agreement with which bank for the Assam Power Transmission Project? Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Guwahati High Court? Sudhanshu Dhulia. Who was the first woman IAS officer of Assam? Parul Das. Which hour of parliamentary proceedings of Lok Sabha was suspended during the monsoon session? Question hour. What was India's place in the recently released Global Firepower Index 2021? Fourth. Who has become the first woman pilot to fly the fighter plane in the Republic Day parade? Bhavana Kant. Who has been elected as next chairman of Somnath Temple Trust? Narendra Modi. Who has developed bike ambulance Rakshita for security forces personnel? CRPF and DRDO. Who has launched the single window clearance system for coal mines? Amit Shah. Who is the current Chief Minister of Assam? Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma. Who is the current Education Minister of Assam? Ranoj Pegu. Who has become the first woman Finance Minister of Assam? Ajanta Newak. Who is the current Health Minister of Assam? Keshav Mohanto.